And with the 35 sitting in here, she definitely fits. I did have to stretch on the cable just a tad, but it easily lifted up to meet the challenge. Negative terminal fit really easy. The Duracell's got a lift handle, which makes installation and removal in this a breeze. I paid $119.99 before tax, and I think that was within $1 of what I paid for the one from Advance Auto nearly 6 years ago, and it also was a 3-year free replacement battery. So super good deal. I think at all the big box auto parts stores right now, I think a Group 35 is around 169. The Group 85s are absolutely freaking ridiculous. I think they were all around 200 bucks. Sam's Club had one for 189.95. I said no thanks. This one fits in. This one's actually a little taller, and it was a lot heavier than the other battery. So I'm thinking this has got more lead material in it because it's a slightly larger battery. So it may actually help this battery live a little longer because they don't seem to last very long in these GTOs. So anyway, for $119.99, sold, brother.